Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bradley County and East Tennessee, western Cook County and East Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Benton, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damages. Locations impacted include Benton, Wildwood Lake, Conestoga, Big Frog Mountain, Parksville, Reliance, Arkville, Gas Springs, and Ulysses Ocoee State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Morristown. Damaging winds and continuous cloudy ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to